Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate webhooks in Home Assistant for automation triggers, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate webhooks in Home Assistant for automation triggers, first, open your Home Assistant interface. Log in to your Home Assistant account. Navigate to the Configuration tab on the left sidebar. Click on Automations in the Configuration menu. Select Add Automation to create a new automation. You'll see an option to start from scratch or use a blueprint. Choose to start from scratch for a more personalized setup. Now, you will be in the Automation Editor. In the editor, provide a name for your automation. Scroll down to the Triggers section. Click on Add Trigger to set your automation trigger. For the trigger type, select Webhook. In the Webhook ID field, enter a unique identifier for your webhook. Make sure to note this ID, as it will be used to send webhook requests later. Next, scroll down to the Actions section. Click on Add Action to define what should happen when the webhook is triggered. Choose the type of action you want, such as call service. Select the service you want Home Assistant to execute. Fill in any necessary fields required for the service. With your automation configured, click on Save in the bottom right corner. After saving, you will see your automation listed under the Automations page. To test your webhook, you can use a tool like Postman or curl. In your tool of choice, set the request method to post. Enter the URL for your Home Assistant instance, appending the /API/webhook/ and the webhook ID you created. Make sure to include any payload needed by your service. Send the request. Return to Home Assistant and check if the action was executed successfully. If everything works, your webhook setup is complete. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.